Look at this nigga. He don't give a fuck. This shit been scraping. Watch. Watch. Listen. Oh. Bruh, what are you doing? What are you doing? That shit been scraping for hella fucking long, nigga, like you didn't hear or feel that. Oh, now you gonna get out and check. Oh, forgot the landing gear. Oh, yeah. That's why most of these dudes with CDL can't do no heavy haul, bro. Like, oh, forgot the chains and binders. Oh, is that why my excavator's in the middle of the highway? God damn. And the nigga look like he was good 50 piece. Crazy, man.